A fascinating new Bitcoin website has been discovered. You never know this could be your big break. In a perfect world, you wouldn't need to be an excellent trader to benefit from a computer that could generate 10% daily. Isn't it completely insane? Now imagine if I said this platform is already causing a stir, but not for the reasons you may expect. The wild marketplace game might be offering the greatest opportunity to earn money right now. Interest payments could be a good idea as well. However, what am I referring to? What is it about this situation that has me excited? Sure, I'll explain. The project I'm about to describe is Mimbot, just so you know. Owners of Xrp have been at the front of the most recent and significant shift in the cryptocurrency market. Things are starting to change for everyone, and I really need to cope with what's going on right now, as I say in this video. I suggested Bitcoin Maxis, Solana Maxis, and Ethereum Maxis, and when I told everyone about it, they were skeptical. Maybe we're all juggling these programmatic endeavors simultaneously. They are now returning to this location, but approaching it from a whole new perspective. The hilarious part is how obvious it is that we have always been heading in this path. Anyway, I want to say hello to everyone on the channel. Hi, I'm Nick. If you're not already a subscriber, my goal is to persuade you to do so by the time this movie is over. If you aren't already in the Loose Talk, you should definitely join up right now. To become a member, just click the link that will be provided in the text below. No shame will be here as you. Recalling the last time we discussed this is a pleasant surprise. In a piece I penned, I argued that the fact that Ripple and XRP had spent so much time learning about businesses wasn't humorous. Institutions, however, are making greater use of this space than before. As of right now, Mimbot advertises itself as a cryptocurrency arbitrage tool with a daily potential return of 10%. A resolution bot created by their software development team is what makes it all work. Arbitrage, in case you didn't know, is a powerful but simple concept. Profiting from the fact that identical products have varied costs on different marketplaces is the key. To my mind, this is roughly correct. The price of Bitcoin varies on different cryptocurrency markets. For instance, on Exchange A, Bitcoin may be sold for $27,800. As you progress through Exchange B, a sum of $28,000 is required. If you wanted to profit on Bitcoin price fluctuations, you could buy it on Exchange A and sell it on Exchange B. After that, you'd retain the cash. Even though it sounds simple, cryptocurrency markets move at a breakneck pace. Mimbot is useful in the situation. They streamline everything using their top-notch tools. Plus, right now is the best time ever. The cryptocurrency sector as a whole is booming, and Bitcoin in particular is setting new records. The market is more dynamic than ever before due to the daily price adjustments. Others argue that Ripple and XRP were revolutionary when they were first introduced and will remain so until the year 2025. Those who made fun of it previously will soon come to regret it when the truth becomes glaringly obvious. Apps and actual players are going to rule the crypto world, and we're officially entering that unique situation. Little is known about Ripple's longer than many believed history in this space. It would appear that the XRP system is not new. Any company or organization serious about utilizing this technology would do well to keep these points in mind. Not all prices are thus boring and constant. There are a lot of pastimes happening at the moment, which is great for Mimbot arbitrage. All the necessary infrastructure is in place to ensure that you seize this opportunity to the fullest. And here is what Mimbot has to say about their bot's efficacy in stock arbitrage on their website. They highlight the fact that this approach provides accessibility, speed, low risk, and a regular pastime. When you examine it attentively, you'll also notice why this aggregate is so effective. Get this, quickness is one possibility. Considering that market prices can fluctuate within seconds, this level of quickness is crucial. Tech that they could imagine is what they desire to employ. They have a good idea of what works, and it could help them achieve their goals, like making more money. I want to stress that the institutions and groups have made their desires quite apparent if we just consider what is happening here. They are looking for a reliable age from a distance. To thrive, they require a time period that they are already familiar with. I can see the future in that. You're being very consistent. They will no longer be affected by that. Meanwhile, as we consider that, results from standard cryptocurrency trading can take hours, if not days, to materialize. The approach taken by Mimbot is direct. Everything comes with some degree of danger. Because of the rapid pace of change in the cryptocurrency market, conventional methods of purchasing and selling involve a great deal of uncertainty, and might not provide consistent results. However, such dangers are practically non-existent due to MIMBot's knowledge of trading. Based on current price fluctuations, their bot is continually hunting for offers and makes smart purchases and income. This ensures that decisions are not based on speculation but on actual possibilities. You are aware that Solana is a decommissioned network set to go dark in the year 2024. In what ways did members of the community move across? Ethereum has many issues that make it difficult to utilize. Fuel prices are expensive and transaction settlement times are long, to name a few examples. It baffles me that this isn't being utilized as a pleasant in-class technology instead of the terrible one that you're already familiar with, given what's happening here. Let me be clear, from a theoretical perspective, I view Bitcoin as a pay attention. In my opinion, the initial release of the technology was fantastic. Things get even more picturesque from here on out. It would be insufficient to use MIMBot for just one or two transactions. Using a wide variety of trading pairs, its bot simultaneously checks 12 different coin exchanges for the best deals. If you had a personal assistant, they would scour the cryptocurrency market for bargains around the clock. Using this strategy of consistent attention, the bot is always hunting for opportunities, regardless of whether you're awake or asleep. It's more than just a trial run before committing to anything. The bot calculates the precise earnings by factoring in fees and other expenses. Unfortunately, it isn't suitable for the many transactional use cases that those organizations and businesses are hoping to publicize. That is the reason we examine Hedera. That is why XRPL is being considered. Lastly, we will examine this Bitwise asset management video. A major factor in the recent decline in the cryptocurrency market, according to the article, was the inevitable liquidation of debt. It is evident that the factors with a longer-term impact are still operational. Keep in mind that market sentiment is still very bullish, and listen carefully to what Matt has to say. This manner, you are prepared for everything. Furthermore, MIMBot's adaptability is its defining feature. Regardless of whether prices are rising or falling, the bot the developers created performs admirably in any market. It also supports the newest games because their staff is constantly updating and enhancing the software. MIMBot's mission is crystal clear. Even if you lack the knowledge or time to become an expert crypto trader, they want to make arbitrage trading easy for everyone. Everyone has an equal opportunity to profit from this intriguing industry, because their tool takes care of the complexities for you. Well, 2025 is obviously a long way off, but is everyone concerned about the recent unexpected weakness? No, I'm loving being on. In my opinion, the current price decline indicates a healthy slowdown. In the grand scheme of things, when you examine the cryptocurrency market, it has risen significantly after the election. A great deal of leverage was built up within the device, and this is the usual way that leverage degrades. There have been 2 days of forced liquidations totaling nearly $2 billion. Since the beginning of crypto, this has been incorrect. The leverage steps must be redone before we can build upon them. A system genuinely destined for greatness is born when you combine state-of-the-art technology that operates on 12 exchanges and can adjust to any market circumstance with speed, minimal risk, consistent activity, and transparency. When it comes to cryptocurrency, MIMBot is a fascinating instrument due to the excellent manner it merges fresh concepts with commercial possibilities.